So a 2017 F350 diesel 6.7 with a dual alternator. I got the charging light on. Checked out the alternators. There's the dual alternator system, so I hooked them up, checked them out. Looks like they're both producing good voltage. They could take an amp draw. Started looking around a little bit, and I came across a forum that had said to check the wires at the bottom of the engine block that are attached to this harness assembly and look for corrosion. And didn't initially find anything, so I decided to tear open that harness a little bit, and looked like the wires were quite tight as far as their locationing here. And you know, when they got set into this retainer, initially they were kind of all over the outside of it. There was a couple of them that were stretched pretty tight, and then so I took the zip ties off at the front and the side there and popped these two yellow wires out of there, and lo and behold, I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but there is damage to the wire, and the whole wire is corroded on the inside, which I believe is damaged. So if you have a charge light on your 6.7 diesel, check these wires down here as well before spending a bunch of money on an alternator, or make sure you're looking around. Just wanted to share with you. Talk to you later. Bye.